Next question is question number 8. Which of the following gives the correct increasing order of acidic strength? In this question, we have to find out the increasing order of acidic strength. Acidic strength is directly related to the dissociation of the substance to release the H positive ion. Here, three substances are given. First one is water, second one is acetic acid, CH3COOH, and the next one is hydrochloric acid. So the hydrochloric acid is the strongest acid. It can easily dissociate it into the H plus and Cl negative ion. So it is a strong acid. So acidic strength is greater. And acetic acid is a weak acid. This weak acid takes time to be dissociated into acetate ion and H plus ion. And next one is the water. Water is a universal solvent, or we can take it as a neutral molecule. It can easily dissociate it into H plus as well as OH negative ions. Therefore, the strong acid is hydrochloric acid, then weak acid, and then water. So the increasing acidic strength will be from lower to higher, or the weak acid to the strong acid. So the weak acid is acetic acid and strong acid is hydrochloric acid. Acetic acid, hydrochloric acid, and water is neutral. So our answer is from the neutral substance, that is water, and then weak acid, acetic acid, and then hydrochloric acid. This is our answer as per the increasing order of acidic strength. So the answer is option number A. Next question is question number 9. If a few drops of a concentrated acid accidentally spills over the hand of a student, what should be done? इन केस किसी स्टूडेंट के हैंड पे केमिकल like strong acid, that is a concentrated acid. Concentrated acid is usually more dangerous to the skin. If it spills over the hand of a student, so what should be done during this accident? So the first option is given here: wash the hand with saline solution. saline solution से हमें हैंड वॉश करना चाहिए. It may be wash the hand immediately with plenty of water, yes, and apply a paste of sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate is NaHCO3, that is baking soda also. And the next, after washing with plenty of water, apply solution of sodium hydroxide on the hand. वाटर से हैंड वॉश करने के बाद हमें सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड का सॉल्यूशन यूज़ करना चाहिए, दैट इज़ बेसिक इन नेचर. एंड द नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन इज़ गिविंग न्यूट्रलाइज द एसिड विद स्ट्रॉन्ग अल्कली. हमें एसिड को स्ट्रॉन्ग अल्कली से न्यूट्रलाइज करना चाहिए. ऑलमोस्ट ऑल द ऑप्शंस आर रिलेटेड टू न्यूट्रलाइज द स्पिल्ट ओवर सॉल्यूशन, बट विच वन इज़ द बेस्ट? हम immediately क्या करेंगे, wash the hand immediately with plenty of water and then apply the basic solution, that is baking soda. Not only a single base, it must be the salt which is basic in nature. So the answer is option number B. Next is question number 10. Sodium hydrogen carbonate when added to sodium hydrogen carbonate when added to acetic acid, it means plus CH3 COOH, evolves a gas. Which of the following statements are true about the gas evolved? It means regarding the gas which is going to be evolved from the given reaction. So let us find out the product of the reaction. If the metal carbonate or the bicarbonate reacts with acid, it will give salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. This is the general rule for acid. If any salt combines with acid, it will form salt with carbon dioxide and water. So the gas evolved here is carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide, it turns lime water milky. अगर हम कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, दैट इज लाइम वाटर, स्लेक्ड लाइम से रिएक्शन करवाते हैं, it will form CaCO3 along with water. CaCO3 and water will be formed and it will turns lime water milky. कलर चेंज हो जाता है, that is whitish in nature or the cloudy nature of the solution will appear. Next is, it extinguishes a burning splinter. एक्सटिंग्विशर का फंक्शन जो है कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड यूजुअली करता है. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस इज used as an extinguisher. Next is, it dissolves in a solution of sodium hydroxide. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड के सॉल्यूशन को डिसॉल्व करता है. If carbon dioxide gas combines with sodium hydroxide solution, it will form sodium carbonate and water. Just like the gas evolved turns lime water milky. Lime water is also a base, that is slaked lime, that is CaOH twice. So this is also a base, this is also a base. So it can also dissolve in a solution of sodium hydroxide. Next is it has a pungent odor. Pungent odor, no, it does not have pungent odor because acetic acid is a weak acid and sodium hydrogen carbonate, baking soda, whenever they will combine, there is no characteristic smells appear. So the answer can be the statement 1, 2, 3, but not 4. So 1, 2, 3 is present in option number B. Answer of this question. Next question is question number 11. Common salt, besides being used in kitchen, can can also be used as new material for making or the raw material for making. Common salt here is the common salt, not the NaCl common. It is not specific to NaCl. It is commonly used here for all the salt. Common salt besides being used in the kitchen can also be used as the raw material for making. It means salt. ऐसा कौन सा सॉल्ट है जो हम किचन में यूज़ करते हैं एज ए रॉ मटेरियल? So the answer, washing soda is Na2 CO3 dot 10H2O. Bleaching powder is not used in the kitchen. It is used as the industrial product in dyeing or the oxidation of the other substances. Baking soda is used in kitchen, that is NaCO3. Slaked lime is CaOH twice. It is not used for raw material in kitchen. So the remaining options are option number 1 and 3. That is the option number C for this question. One of the constituent of baking powder is sodium hydrogen carbonate. The other constituent is the component which is used for making the common salt. Here baking powder is NaHCO3. This is the sodium hydrogen carbonate. And the second component is tartaric acid, which is present here. Next question is question number 13. To protect tooth decay, we are advised to brush our teeth regularly. The nature of toothpaste commonly used is, so the nature of toothpaste is basic, because in our mouth the nature will be acidic due to the secretion of hypersecretion of the acid during digestion. The nature of the mouth is acidic, so it will be neutralized by taking a base. So the nature of toothpaste will be basic in nature. Next question is question number 14. Which of the following statements is correct about an aqueous solution of an acid and of a base? So we have aqueous solutions of acid and base. So the given statements saying that higher the pH, stronger the acid. Acid की अगर हम बात करें, so it will be between 0 to 7. Higher the pH is near about 7, is related to the weak acid, and the statement says the stronger acid, so it will be wrong. Second statement, higher the pH, weaker the acid. Higher the pH, weaker the acid. Yes, it is correct. जैसे ही हम नियर अबाउट 7 पे जाएंगे तो एसिडिक स्ट्रेंथ जो है वो लेस हो जाती है, द सॉल्यूशन इज गोइंग टू बी न्यूट्रल. सो दिस स्टेटमेंट सेकंड इज करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट, लोअर द pH, stronger the base. If we go from 7 to 14, in case of the 7 to 14 for basic solution, this pH scale 7 to 14 is related to the basic nature. Lower the pH, it means 7 to 10 approximately. pH from 0 to 7 is acidic and 7 to 14 is basic. So the lower the pH, stronger the base. Lower the pH, weaker should be the base. So this statement is strong. Next option is lower the pH, weaker the base. This one is correct. So the option number 2 and 4 in D is the answer for this question. Next question is question number 15. pH of the gastric juices released during digestion is, gastric juice is HCl, hydrochloric acid is a strong acid, and strong acid has pH less than 7. So the answer is option number A. Next question is question number 16. Which of the following phenomena occur when a small amount of acid is added to water? वाटर जब एसिड में ऐड किया जाता है, इट मीन्स डाइल्यूशन टेक्स प्लेस. एडिशन ऑफ वाटर टू एसिड इज डाइल्यूशन, एंड वाटर एडिशन will bring about ionization also, that is H plus and OH negative, hydroxyl ion and H plus ion. So the combination of 1 and 3 in case of option number B. This is the answer of this question. Question number 17. Which one of the following can be used as an acid base indicator by a visually impaired students? Visually impaired students जो हैं, they cannot identify the acid base indicators by seeing, but they can identify by smell. So the vanilla essence can be identified by visually impaired student, but not the litmus that is present in the form of paper strip. Turmeric is obtained from plant. Petunia leaves is also obtained from plant. They can be identified by using the leaves and litmus paper strips, but vanilla essence can be identified by using smell as acid base indicators. So the answer of this question is option number C. Question number 18. Which of the following substance will not give carbon dioxide on treatment with dilute acid? Carbon dioxide can be released if acid reacts with metal carbonate. So we can identify the metal carbonate here. Marble is CaCO3, limestone is also CaCO3, baking soda is NaHCO3, and lime is CaO. This is not the metal carbonate, so the answer of this question is lime. That will not give carbon dioxide on treatment with dilute acids. Next question is question number 19. Which of the following is acidic in nature? First is lime juice. Lime juice can be acidic. Human blood, pH of the blood is 7.4. Lime water is CaOH twice, is a base. Ant acid is a salt like baking soda, NaHCO3, so it is not acidic. Ant acid is a salt, lime water is a base, human blood has pH 7.4, so it is not acidic,
So the remaining option number A, lime juice is acidic in nature.